Electric vehicles are growing in popularity, but reliability still matters. With all the advanced tech and electric components, some EVs have proven flawless, others, not so much. Let's dive into the top 12 most reliable electric cars, ranked using real-world owner data, so you know which ones you can count on. Number 12. Vauxhall Mokka-e, 2020 present. The Mokka-e has a stylish design, but over half of owners dealt with problems, especially with the 12-volt battery and charging systems. Some cars were undrivable for a week or longer. A few unlucky drivers paid over $1,500 for repairs. Not the most reassuring electric SUV on the list. Number 11. MG4 EV, 2022 present. It's one of the most popular EVs in the UK, but 30% of owners have had issues, some serious. Safety tech concerns and drivetrain glitches have led to long waits for repairs, with nearly 70% of cases taking over a week. What's worse, only about half were fixed under warranty. Number 10. BMW i3, 2013 to 2022. Even though it's an older model, the i3 is still one of the better performers. Less than 10% of owners reported issues, mainly with the aircon and suspension. 3/4 were repaired within a week, but out-of-warranty repairs sometimes cost over £1,000. Number 9. Volkswagen e-up, 2013 to 2023. The e-up is small, efficient, and surprisingly reliable. Only 13% of owners had issues, mainly with the 12-volt battery and aircon, but 2/3 of those cars were off the road for more than a week. Thankfully, all repairs were covered by warranty. Number 8. Kia EV6, 2021 present. With a long range and bold looks, the EV6 is a family favorite. Only 13% of owners reported faults, mostly with the battery and electric drivetrain. While all repairs were done under warranty, most of the faulty vehicles took over a week to fix. Number 7. Renault Megane E-Tech, 2022 present. This stylish crossover had just 14% of owners report minor issues, nothing related to the drivetrain. All faulty cars remained drivable and were fixed within a week, often in just one day. Best of all, repairs were free under warranty. Number 6. BMW i4, 2021 present. The i4 combines class with battery power. Around 25% of owners faced issues, but most were minor, like interior trim or aircon. Over half of these were repaired in a single day, and none cost the owners anything. Number 5. Nissan Leaf, 2019 present. A longtime leader in the EV space, the Leaf continues to shine. Just 10% of owners experienced issues, mainly with brakes or minor electronics. While not all were covered by warranty, most repairs were quick, with 60% done in a day. Number 4. Volvo XC40 Recharge, 2021 present. Dependable and luxurious, the XC40 Recharge had only 20% of owners report minor faults. Most were fixed within a week, and no one had to pay out of pocket. That's a big win for Volvo. Number 3. BMW iX3, 2021 present. BMW's first electric SUV performed well, with only 12% of owners encountering problems. Most issues were minor, like aircon or software glitches. All repairs were done under warranty, though some vehicles did spend a week or more in the shop. Number 2. Mini Electric, 2020 to 2024. The Mini Electric may not go the farthest, but it rarely goes wrong. Only 5% of owners had any problems at all. All cars remained drivable, and every issue was fixed under warranty. That's a remarkable track record. Number 1. Tesla Model Y, 2021 present. Yes, a Tesla tops the list. The Model Y surprised everyone, with only 4% of owners reporting any issues, mainly small ones like navigation bugs. Most repairs were done the same day, and every single one was free under warranty. That's hard to beat. Electric cars are the future, but not all are equally reliable. These 12 models stand out, some for good reasons, others not so much. If you found this list helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest car reviews and rankings. Thanks for watching.